Welcome to Iqbal Foods, Ontario's premier destination for all your Desi grocery needs. Located in the vibrant province of Canada, Iqbal Foods offers an unmatched variety of high-quality products that cater to the diverse tastes of the Desi community. Whether you're looking for fresh produce, aromatic spices, or authentic Indian/Pakistani groceries, we have it all. At Iqbal Foods, we take pride in curating a vast array of Desi products sourced from all over the world. Our shelves boast a wide range of spices, lentils, rice, flours, and specialty items that will transport you to the bustling markets of South Asia. Fresh fruits and vegetables are carefully selected to ensure superior quality and taste, empowering you to create the most authentic Desi dishes at home. Step into our store and you'll be greeted by our friendly and knowledgeable staff, ready to assist you in finding exactly what you need. We understand the importance of quality and authenticity, and that's why we stock only the most trusted brands and suppliers. From household staples to hard-to-find ingredients, our shelves are always brimming with an extensive selection to satisfy your culinary cravings. But Iqbal Foods isn't just a grocery store, it's a community hub. We are dedicated to fostering a sense of belonging and cultural celebration. Our store often hosts cultural events, food fairs, and cooking demonstrations, providing a platform for our customers to explore Desi traditions and connect with like-minded individuals. Hours and a spacious shopping environment, Iqbal Foods ensures a stress-free and enjoyable experience for all. We also offer online shopping and nationwide shipping, making it easier than ever to skip the commute and have your favorite Desi products delivered right to your doorstep. Discover the treasure trove of flavors and experiences that await you at Iqbal Foods. Embrace the aromas, indulge in the colors, and immerse yourself in a truly Desi grocery adventure. Iqbal Foods is a well-known chain of grocery stores specializing in South Asian and Middle Eastern foods with locations primarily in the Greater Toronto Area, of Ontario, Canada. It caters to the diverse culinary needs of the South Asian and Middle Eastern communities, offering a wide range of products including spices, grains, lentils, snacks, frozen foods, halal meats, and specialty items from various regions. Specifically, Iqbal food stores are known for their extensive selection of ethnic foods, fresh produce, and competitive prices. They often attract customers from different cultural backgrounds looking for authentic ingredients and products from South Asia, the Middle East, and other regions. Iqbal food stores may also offer in-house bakery items, ready-to-eat meals, and a variety of non-food products such as kitchenware and household goods. Many customers appreciate the convenience and affordability of shopping at Iqbal Foods for their everyday groceries as well as specialty items not commonly found in mainstream supermarkets. When visiting Iqbal Foods or any other specialty grocery store in Ontario, you can expect to find a unique selection of products reflecting the cultural diversity of the region it serves. It's always a good idea to explore these stores to discover new ingredients and flavors, and to support local businesses within the community. Locations. While the exact number of locations may vary over time, Iqbal Foods typically has several stores scattered throughout the GTA. Some of the key areas where you might find Iqbal Foods stores include Scarborough, Mississauga, Brampton, and Etobicoke. Product range. Iqbal Foods offers a diverse range of products catering to the culinary needs of South Asian, Middle Eastern, and other ethnic communities. This includes fresh produce such as fruits, vegetables, and herbs commonly used in South Asian and Middle Eastern cuisine. Spices, herbs, and seasonings essential for cooking various dishes from these regions. Grains and legumes like rice, lentils, chickpeas, and specialty flours. Frozen foods including snacks, appetizers, ready-to-eat meals, and desserts. Halal meats and poultry, adhering to Islamic dietary guidelines. Specialty items such as ethnic sweets, snacks, sauces, and condiments. Non-food items like kitchenware, utensils, and household goods. In-house bakery and prepared foods. Some Iqbal Foods locations may feature an in-house bakery offering freshly baked bread, pastries, and other baked goods. Additionally, they may offer a selection of ready-to-eat meals and snacks, providing convenience for customers. Community engagement. Iqbal Foods often engages with the local community through events, promotions, and sponsorships. They may participate in cultural festivals, charity drives, or other community initiatives to connect with their customers and support local causes. Online presence. While individual store locations may vary in their online presence, Iqbal Foods may have a website and active social media profiles where customers can find information about store locations. Hours, promotions, and new product offerings. Customer service. Iqbal Foods strives to provide excellent customer service. With knowledgeable staff who can assist customers in finding specific ingredients or products and provide guidance on cooking techniques and recipes. Overall, Iqbal Foods has established itself as a go-to destination for individuals and families seeking authentic South Asian and Middle Eastern ingredients, specialty foods, and grocery items in the Greater Toronto Area.